The state cross-examination of police ballistic expert Christian Mangena has been postponed to offer the defense legal counsels of the five men accused for the murder of Senzo Meyiwa time to get an independent ballistic expert of their own. This morning, Warrant Officer Cornelius Roloffse, attached to the ballistic unit, takes the stand. He examined the firearm which was found in the possession of accused number 3, Ntobisi Mukobe. Roloffse has testified in other cases in High Court, Regional Court and others. He has been attached to the ballistic unit since 2001. On 13 February 2014, he received a sealed evidence bag with 9mm pistol with serial number obliterated and a magazine. What he found is big bags are heavy and perforate, but they must be documented on the SAP-5 form if it is not intact. He says there was also 18 cartridges which were not marked. He remembers this box because he wrote down the number of cartridges in it. After he applied the electromagnet etching process, he was able to determine the serial number. Sifo Ramosepele for accused number 1 and 2 now cross-examining. Ramosepele asked, "In your experience, have you seen two firearms to be the same?" He replied, "It may be the same class characteristics, but there will be differences in markings." Roloffse says it doesn't matter how many people touch the firearm. He says when it came to him without the serial number, he engraved on its trigger guard a lap number, issued by the system. He says there may be exceptions that the exhibitions, like in the Macrina matter, are not in sealed exhibit bags. Dumalo concedes he understands there are exceptions. Roloffse says in the event that an exhibit tears for any reason, that should be noted on the SAP-13 form. Their discussions continued. Dumalo asked, "What do you understand by sealing of evidence bag?" Roloffse replied, "You put exhibits in the evidence bag, peel off yellow strap and paste the blue one so that nothing can be removed." With your vast experience, can ballistic section receive or accept an open evidence bag? Dumalo asked again. Roloffse replied, "What I found is very big and they are heavy and perforate that they must be documented on the SAP-5 form if it is not intact."